కడిగి పెట్టాలి అని చేయాలి కదా.
Guys, good morning. So guys, cross check where you have written till here. Batch 31. Icon please. This one. You're done with till here. Okay. Write this one and wait.
Sir, do we have to write fourth point as well?
Yes, you have to write. Guys, write everything except the red color. Online students, I'm repeating. This is the second last page. Write everything except the red color.
Oh, sir, 1 minute previous slide, Iqbal. Thank you, sir.
Online students, just a second. I have to share a screen. Just give me 1 minute, okay? Batch 30, your body language, presentation skills, technical skill, how you question and answer to your friends or something. So in my case, if I highlight, he is the highest scorer of the day of entire batch. Second one is Ajinkya and Pratiksha. Second, they are runner. One second. चैतन्य कहाँ पे है? चैतन्य 33 पे है। इनका इंटरव्यू मैंने बहुत ज्यादा डिफिकल्ट लिया था, मतलब टू हाई लेवल। आप लोग कभी ऐसे नहीं लिया मैंने। देन ऑल्सो इन्होंने बहुत आंसर्स दिए और ऐसे आंसर्स दिए जो सिलेबस में भी थे नहीं आपके। अगर एक्चुअल देखा जाए तो इनको सबसे ज्यादा मार्क्स मिलने चाहिए, लेकिन फिर भी मैंने इनको कम मार्क्स दिए बिकॉज ओवर स्मार्ट ना हो जाए। ठीक है, तो बहुत जल्दी ओवर क्वालिफाइड जल्दी हो जाते हैं बैच वाले। ठीक है, इसलिए मैंने उनको कम दिए। ही इज आल्सो ओके विद द जस्टिफिकेशन। सो यू ऑल पीपल ओके विद योर मार्क्स, प्लीज वेरीफाई। एनी क्वेश्चन यू हैव कैन से। ऋषिकेश 31 तो था, लेकिन उनका एक मार्क्स कम इसलिए करना पड़ा, मुझे कहीं ग्लिच लगा तो मैंने कम किया। ओके प्रतीक, आप दिन पे दिन कम होते जा रहे हो, पता नहीं आपको समझ रहा है मुझे पढ़ा रहा हूँ? पॉइंट नंबर 1। सेकेंड, आपको समझ रहा होगा लेकिन आप प्रैक्टिस नहीं कर पा रहे हो, कुछ तो ग्लिच है। यू गिव योर प्रॉब्लम, आई विल वर्क विद यू। ठीक है, मैंने प्रतीक को आपको मैंने डिफिकल्ट क्वेश्चन इसलिए पूछे क्योंकि आपने असेसमेंट नहीं किया था, होमवर्क नहीं किया। आपने लगी सर वेडिंग थी, 1 वीक का गैप हो गया, मुझे ब्रशअप करना है। ब्रशअप करने के लिए आपको 1 वीक मिला था, तो वो 1 वीक आपको एक्स्ट्रा टाइम मिला एज कम्पेयर टू अदर स्टूडेंट्स। दैट्स द रीजन मैंने आपको डिफिकल्ट क्वेश्चंस पूछे जो मैंने ऋषिकेश को नहीं पूछे। ठीक है, थोड़ा सा वर्क करो, ये प्रैक्टिस मॉक्स है गाइस। मेरे मॉक्स जितने, डू यू फील लाइक मेरे क्वेश्चन एक भी इररिलेवेंट थे? एक भी ऐसा था कि पूरा थ्योरी पढ़ रहे हो? जो करते हो, जो यूज करते हो, उसका एक्चुअल में बिजनेस में यूज होना चाहिए ना। तो वी आर अ पीपल, अ ब्रिज बिटवीन बिजनेस एंड एनालिटिक्स। हम समझा नहीं पाएंगे ना तो हमारी कोड की कोई वैल्यू नहीं है। देखो अजिंक्य भी कोड लिख सकता है, आप भी लिख सकते हो, तो मैं आपसे कोड क्यों लूं? कोड तो लिखने के लिए पहले बहुत पड़ेगा कंपनीज में। तो आई नीड इंटरप्रिटेशन, उसके यूजेस, उसकी मीनिंग क्या होती है, ये ऐसे क्यों हो रहा है, तो थोड़ा इस पे ध्यान दो। ठीक है, एंड आई विल शेयर दिस फाइल। उत्कर्षा विल कम ऑन ट्यूसडे, विल डू अ डिस्कशन। ठीक है, तो जो लेस देन, आई डोंट नो हाउ मच इज द पासिंग क्राइटेरिया आउट ऑफ 50, so I think out of 50 we have 30, 50% now you have. How much you normally have? Any mock you give? 60% है? Above? तो जो about 25 है they are clear, जो below 25 है they are not। लेकिन मैंने तो बेंचमार्क 30 रखा था, इसलिए मैंने 30 वालों को ही कलर किया है। थैंक यू। कोई किसी को आंसर नंबर चेंज करने हैं, गिव ए जस्टिफिकेशन, आई विल चेंज। एंड उनका थोड़ा सा अब ट्यूसडे के दिन यू हैव टू वेट अप, आपका सब पेपर हो जाए ना, आप एक बार मुझसे मिल लेना। और प्रतीक आप भी, आप ट्यूसडे तो फ्री हो ना, आप वेट करना। आपके में ट्यूसडे जब होगा आपको वेट करना है। अब वो इसलिए नहीं पूछा ना कि आपका लीनियर कॉन्सेप्ट पहले तो क्लियर करना था। देखो थियरी Sorry guys, I will share a screen. क्या होता है PPT को? Done this one. Shall I change?
Yes, sir.
Anisha, I will message you something. Just read that. Okay. So your update Sunday you have a mock, correct?
Okay, sir. Sir, normal text message or
No, just want to say done. I just want to confirm here there will be a mock for you on Sunday.
okay, sir. Sir, time like
Time I will take between 12 to 1.
okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Write this and mark this as very important.
सर जो राइट साइड में स्लाइड है वो भी लिखना.
Yes, you have to write this also.
Okay.
Not write what is the red color.
Okay.
Done this one?
For graduation or master's?
Bachelor's in stats, master's in stats. Okay, guys, last diagram, then done. I'll explain the concept. Done, everyone? Shall I explain the concept? Is I'm starting a topic. Okay. So we'll work on logistic regression. I will teach a concept. Okay. Today we will only able to finish the concept, not the theory, not the practical part. Okay. So we'll do a small discussion first on linear regression. Guys, what type of data we required for linear regression? Numeric. Then we say clear. Here, let's say we have person loan amount. So when you apply for the loan, guys, you say I need this much amount of loan, and banks say we can give you this much amount. So we have to predict loan amount. So let me write data for you guys first. I'm writing random numbers: 30, 60, 55. Let's have taken two scenarios over here. First scenario is talking about linear regression. Okay. In linear regression, as you said, we require data has to be numeric. Okay. So age of a person, income of a person, number of family members, they are in numbers. So when we apply for the loan, a bank has to predict how much loan the customer is eligible. If it demand for 1 crore, we can't give them. The customer should have the capability of that. So we have to predict loan amount. Can I say loan amount is number? Let me write data, guys. I'm writing a data. Let's say in linear regression, every variable is number, okay? Income, age, number of family members, and every variable is independent. Your dependent variable is your loan status. To get a loan amount depends upon your income. Loan amount depends upon your age. Loan amount depends on your family members. Agree? Next, we have another scenario. Let's say when you apply for the loan, okay? Can I say a loan company or a bank have to give update whether you will get a loan or not? So loan approved, loan rejected, loan approved. Income, age, gender, marital status, and this is your Y. Guys, what is the difference we have in data in terms of Y? So for logistic, Y has to be category, and for regression, Y has to be numbers. So let me read the first point for you. We'll come back to the same data again. Logistic regression is a method used in classification tasks. Classification means when people apply for the loan, loan is accepted, loan is rejected. So can I say we can classify this? So it's a classification task. Still you clear? Next option, logistic regression is a statistical method for analyzing a data set in which there are one or more inputs variable. More independent variable. Independent variable means X. There can be 1x, 2x, 3x, and many. That determine an outcome of dependent variable. Notation for dependent variable, guys, Y. So there are multiple X, and there we have Y also. X clear, guys, and Y. Let's see type of data. Independent variable means X variable can be numbers and can be category. Do we have numbers and category in X? Can I say gender is independent of marital status? Clear? Can I say gender is independent of income? Marital status is independent of income? Can I say every X is independent? So guys, logistic can have data in numbers also, can have in category also, can have in both also. Clear? It's an OR concept. Anyone or both. Next, dependent variable is measured with binary outcome. Do we have two options over here? Approved and reject. Binary means Shantanu. So can I say approved means 0, reject means 1? So can I say it become binary, guys? So always your Y variable has to be binary. So when we have Y variable is binary or we have category, that time we use logistic regression. Concept clear when to use which one? Approve, reject, yes, no, good, bad, like this way. Only independent. Any question? Online students, guys, any question? Ragini, Anisha? That can be multiples. Gender में transgender ले लो. Married, male, female, transgender. Multiple are possible. वो independent है ना? Clear. This has to be. Any question over here? Where is your mouse? What with it, okay, please? वो empty है कुछ नहीं उसमें. What is the equation for linear, guys? Y is equal to This is the equation of linear regression. Can I say any change in X will impact on Y? Can we call X have direct impact on Y? Can we call here we study direct relation? Agree? Now let me write second equation. This part and this part look like similar. So this is also used to study relation. But can I say here we have exponential? Opposite of exponential is what? Log. So if I have to remove exponential, I have to take log. So here we say any change in X will change in Y with respect to clear. So linear regression is your direct relation. Logistic is your log relation, or we call as a logarithmic relation. The meaning is same. Clear. Any question? Write example. And guys, one more thing. Here, if you can see, we have two equations. Either use this one or either use this one. Answer will remain same. Right? This is an example for you. Guys, done this one? It's minus. Done this one? Shall I change? Okay. Now guys, when we use online students, am audible?
Yes.
Now guys, when we use linear regression, okay, where we have x1, x2, x3, and we have to predict loan amount. Can I say when I use this equation, I get answer in terms of number? So when I use logistic give me answer in terms of probability. I believe you have done probability in term 1. I have teach you. What is the range of probability? Thank God. I ask you the range of probability. Okay. So the range of probability is 0 to 1. नहीं, अगर आपने -1 से इन्वेंट किया तो बता सकते हो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. The range of probability is between 0 to 1. So let's say we have two scenarios, approved and reject. Can I say the customer who loan get approved? Okay. Can we call they are a good customer? जिसका लोन अप्रूव्ड होता है वो क्या होता है? गुड कस्टमर. तो उनको लोन मिला. The loan which get rejected, can we call bad customer? So एक है good, एक है bad. Till you clear. So what we do a coding format, guys. मैंने good को coding किया है 0 and bad I have coded as 1. So in terms of giving loan or in terms of not paying EMI, you have taken loan and you don't pay EMI. Can I say if you don't pay EMI loss to the bank? Can I say our objective, can we like this way find who is the bad customer? Or we should find good customer? Bad customer. Second scenario. Let's say people coming in a bank to apply for loan. Can we give loan to bad people? Why not? Default क्यों भाग ही जाएंगे? Either they will default or either they will become NPA, non-performing assets, not paying any EMI, not responding. Okay. So can I say high risk of loan defaulters, high loss to the bank? So we cannot give loan to bad customer. We can give loan to good customer. Our job is to identify who is bad, who is good. So as per the objective, what should we find first, good or bad? Bad now? We cannot give loan to bad. So always in every software, either work in Python, either work in SAS, either work in R, spaces, minor, everything, you have to make model only for bad. So the equation which we have written above, we make model only to identify one, which is bad. हमेशा मॉडल रन होता है वन को फाइंड करने के लिए. Whatever we need to find. If I coded 1 as bad, what I'm finding? Bad customer. If I coded 1 as good, what I'm finding? Good customer. So always make sure model is always make for 1. 1 means bad customer. Clear? वो हम करेंगे, कोडिंग करेंगे हम. आपको गुड और बैड लिख के आएगा, आप उसको लेबल इनपुट से कन्वर्ट करोगे. Because Python never read category data, so we have to convert into 1 0. So we will code wherever there is a good, I'll give me 0. Wherever there is a bad, I'll mark as 1. Now whenever this output, the model always give output in the format of probability. Let's say there is a one customer. Customer number 1. Okay. Name is, let's say we have Yogesh. Yogesh apply for the loan and the bank people say you're a good customer, we'll give him loan. But when Kiran apply for the loan, we say no, she is a bad customer, we can't give him loan. When Rahul apply for the loan, we give him loan, he's a good customer. So here good and bad, when model predicts, it gives answer in terms of probability. Yogi's probability is coming to be 0.3. Kiran comes to be 0.79. Rahul comes to be 0.40. ये probability है, comes from where? So model give you probability as a prediction. ये 1-0 predict नहीं करेगा, ये predict करेगा probability for you. Now if you can see 0.30, where it will come, guys? What is the middle over here? Y hat. You know what is the meaning of Y hat? What is the formula for error? Linear regression में तो पढ़ाया, actual minus prediction. Notation for prediction is Y hat. So model predicted and given me the probability. Now first person is how much probability? 3.0. 0.3. Where it will come, guys? Over here. But if you remember, we make model to identify bad customer. So here we say 30% chance the customer is bad. Repeating, 30% chance the customer is bad. Where it come close to, guys? Good. Second one is how much percent? 79% chance Kiran will be a bad customer. Clear the way of reading. Now let's say Rahul get answer as 0.51. What you will read? 51% chance. It's coming in a dicey, difficult for us to classify this guy. So what we do as an industrial, we make a threshold. Instead of working as 0.5, we make threshold as anyone come in this bucket, we call as bad. Anyone coming less than 0.7, we call as, this is called as threshold. Now if you put 0.30, where it will come? Where this bad will come? Where it will comes? But the point, easy to understand. Means if you look at 0.7, more than 0.7, everyone is coming close to 1 only. What is 1 for us? It's become a clear picture by making a threshold. Clear. 0.30 नहीं. हमें क्या फाइंड करना है? हम लोग चाहिए तो क्यों करोगे? 0.7 is a standard. ये कोई rule नहीं है. It's not a formula. It's a standard procedure people do. Because it's come close to 1 and 1 is bad. You can change the threshold, but 0.7 is bad. You cannot take 0.5. That becomes difficult for us. We have to do manually. If else condition. If probability more than 0.7, give me good, otherwise bad. ये threshold हमने logical decide किया. Logical plus has to be clear. If someone gets 0.71, who is close? 0 or 1? Application wise we decide. There is no threshold benchmark. Okay. There are methods to decide this, which is called ROC curve. Later it will come later. I make you draw one diagram. The diagram also helps us to decide the value of threshold. But initially we take value as 0.7. Anisha, clear? Ragini, clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'll move forward, guys. A simple scenario now. Then we have a concept called odds ratio. Odds ratio is used for comparison. Guys, comparison means what in English? डिफरेंशिएट करना, कौन बेस्ट है वो फाइंड करना, करेक्ट. It is compared two levels in a qualitative variable. What is the meaning of qualitative variable, guys? So we are working on category और उसमें two levels. Two level means yes, no, good, bad, male, female, married, unmarried. Okay, I've taken a small scenario for you. Suppose that 7 out of 10 male get admission. Guys, getting admission in the college is success or failure? How many fail? Remember notation P and Q come from where? Binomial. ये किसके लिए था? Male success. Now we write for while there are 10, 3 out of 10 female get admission. What is the probability of a female success? Failure. Clear, guys? Next. Here we have to use odds ratio. Odd ratio is used for comparison. Comparison in two levels. Can I say male and females are category? Can I say male and female are two levels? So we have to compute odds. Guys, ratio means what? Proportion. What is the meaning of A upon B? How we read? इसको कैसे read करते हैं? और A given B. Probability of A given that B has already happened. तो हम किसकी probability find कर रहे हैं? A की. If I write odds ratio of odds of male divided by odds of female, how you will read? We are finding odds of male, chances of male. See the calculation part. 0.7 data 0.3. So first we find odds of male, odds of female, male divided by female. So we get answer for what, guys? Male or female? Denominator में क्या है? Male है. So here we say 5.44 times higher odds male will get admission to engineering school as compared to, can I say we have done comparison between two levels, male, female. Got the point, guys? How to read? Any question you can ask, please. Gender depend होगा ना? For one X within X, two levels. Gender is 1X. Within X, male, female. Clear? Now, second point. Let's say 5.44 times. I'm changing a scenario. 5.44 times male will not pay EMI as compared to female. So, who has the higher chance of not paying EMI? Male. That's why company people call male to pay the EMI. Can we use over there? Got the point? Can we compare everywhere two levels? 5.44 times male, married people will pay EMI as compared to unmarried. Married are more responsible, na? Can we use odds over there? Can we say odds ratio is used everywhere where we have comparison? Easy, guys. Ragini, Anisha.
Yes, sir.
Concept clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'll move forward, guys. I'll show you one data set for you. We'll come back to confusion matrix on screen. I've written small data. Just read one time. You don't have to write, you just have to read. How many customers have taken? 5 customers, age, gender, dependence, income. Can I say everyone is X? Loan status means when you apply for the loan and you get answer. Loan rejected, loan approved. Approved means 0 or we call it a good. Rejected means bad. ये clear हो गया guys? Any question on data? When you run the answer, when you run the model in Python, you get answer in terms of probability. How to read this one? For Nikita, anyone can help me? 90% chance that Nikita will be a bad customer. No, will not do. Second, for Ajinkya. %20 chance he will be a bad customer. Can we write if-else condition? Wherever the probability is more than 0.7, give me bad, otherwise good. But the point how we get this predicted one? Any question, guys, please ask. अभी तो मैंने रैंडमली नंबर्स की एक्सप्लेन किया. आपको बीटा नॉट बीटा 1 मिलेगा. आप उसमें पुट करो इक्वेशन में, x की वैल्यू पुट करो, एक्सपोनेंशियल लो, इनवर्स करो, आपको प्रोबेबिलिटी आ जाएगी. ठीक है ना, वो आया आंसर. ये क्या है? प्रेडिक्शन है. ये क्या है? एक्चुअल है ना.
According to probability, decide
वो बैड है. वो एक्चुअल में हमने उसको लोन दे दिया. हाँ, that is actual. What model से वो बैड है. You should not have given the loan. You have done a mistake. Actually is what happened. Prediction is what's going to be happen in future. What model say? Only actual what we say. Till you're clear. Anisha, Ragini, clear for this? I'm coming to the last step. I'm waiting for confirmation. Anisha, Ragini.
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Now, when let's say when Nikita apply for the loan, what bank say? She's bad. We can't give you loan. What our model prediction say? Says, can we call right prediction? When Ajinkya apply for the loan, what bank say? And what we predicted? Right prediction. But when Omkar apply for the loan, what bank say? I will give you loan. But what our model say? Can we say we have done a wrong prediction, guys? Clear. Okay. Let's make something known as matrix for you. Yes, column wise what I have taken? Actuals. तो ये हमारे लिए क्या है? Column. And this is total how many customers we have? 5 है ना? पक्का? So grand total is 5. When I say actual, so you have to look at this column. In actual, how many good we have? How many bad? Clear, Anisha, Ragini.
Yes, sir.
I'm just making a matrix, huh? It's a table. Now go to prediction, row wise. Okay. And tell me in predicted, I'll make a star for you. Star is also wrong. Look at circle. In predicted, how many good we have? How many bad we have? Total comes to be same, guys. Okay. Now let's do one by one. I'm just making a frequency table. First row is bad. What we predicted? Ajink, Nikita. Nikita का आंसर क्या है? So Nikita bad है. Can I say bad means यहाँ से and bad means from here where they interact? Done. Second row, Ajinkya. Over here. Good from here and good from here, no? Wherever they interact, we just write the count. Third row, what I say? कहाँ पे आएगा? First column. Clear, Anisha, Ragini.
Yes, sir.
Third one, fourth one. वो bad है, हमने क्या predict किया? Bad. Where will come? और एक add हो जाएगा. So how many times we have this, guys? 2 times. So 1 plus 1 will become for us as 2. Now Irfan, customer is good. We also predict as, what it become as, guys? 2. समझा 2 कैसा आया ये? So this is 2 plus 1 is how much? 3. 2 plus 0 is how much? 2. Guys, matrix clear how we make this. Cross check the numbers. You will get exactly same row wise, column wise. Matrix clear. Anisha, Ragini. Guys, this is the last step.
Yes, sir.
I make you write some formula of accuracy. Can you give me that, please?
Yes, sir.
So this is your TP. This is your TN. Agree. Let me write. Your TN is 2. But TP कितना है? 2. What is FP? Can you tell me what is the formula for accuracy? Total. What is the TP value, guys? Total कितने रोज हैं? Total number of rows. कितने customers हैं? What is the accuracy, guys? So can I say for 80% data we are able to predict accurately? Good को good बोलना correct है. Bad customer को bad बोलना correct है. How much is the accuracy of the model? 80%. How much error I will have? 1 minus accuracy will give me error. Once clear. Easy है. Let's do something known as sensitivity. What is the formula for sensitivity? TP plus, sorry. What is the TP value? Is how much? So what is the definition of sensitivity, guys? Anyone can read? Can I say bad customer को bad बोलना है sensitivity? Got the point? So if you see how many we have in actual bads? 2. And how many we predicted as bad? 2. Let's say we get 100%. What is specificity?
full customer को in actual data full customer and model to full customer है.
What is TN formula?
Formula is TN divided by TN plus F.
What is the TN value? How much? So what is accuracy of good capture? 66%. Accuracy for bad finding, 100%. Overall accuracy is how much? 80%. Is clear all 4 points? Accuracy, error, sensitivity, specificity. Any question? Guys, have any question? Ask. I'll increase the level now. Anisha, Ragini. Any question? Bad factor.
Understood, sir.
Okay. If you understood, I will change the data. Okay, and explain it. I'll erase this part, guys, for time being. I'll take a use data now. Tell me total how many customers have taken over here now, guys? 7,000. This is total. How many customers are bad in the given data?
That in given data. So actual data.
Actual data. 242. How many are good in the actual data?
758, sir.
So 6758. How many model predicted as bad? 62. How many model predicted as good?
6938.
Guys, still clear?
Yes, sir.
Now for this data, can you compute this formulas, accuracy and so on and tell me?
Yes, sir.
So write this table, solve this and experiment and give me the numbers.
Sir, I have a small doubt.
Yes.
यहाँ पर H0 H1 I mean वो statement नहीं use कर रहे क्या? Like prediction में.
We will do that. That will come later.
Okay.
I'll teach you in a practice. Okay.
Okay, sir.
मैंने नहीं लिखा आपको. Guys, what is the answer for accuracy? Can I say accuracy is more than 70? So we say the model is good model. Now, if you talk about sensitivity, or we call say recall, or we can say TPR. Okay, how much are you getting? 20%. So here we say the accuracy of capturing bad customer is 20%. Check for specificity, guys. 99 point. So accuracy of capturing good customer is 99.8%. Easy, guys. Yes. Any question, Vallabh? In the industry, you get 20, 25, this much. We make model for bad customer identification. Okay. But our model is able to identify how much percent data? 20% data. In this scenario, I've taken. If I reverse this, बढ़ गया. So here we say that our model performance overall accuracy is 97%. Performance for identifying bad people is 20%. Good people is 99%. Clear, guys. Easy. Nothing like second way. Guys, I'll move forward. Kiran on screen. It's okay. Calculation wise. Let's say Kiran have taken a loan. She pay EMI on time. And as a banker, as an analyst, I say she don't pay money. So let's take a scenario. Okay. Scenario number 1. Kiran, scenario number 1, have taken EMI and she pay EMI on time. And as an analyst, I say no, you are a bad. And really is what, guys? Good. First month you call and Kiran will say, I have paid the money, check in the system. Correct? Second month, Kiran pay the EMI and I again call as a call center and I say, you have not paid money. What he will say? System check kar bhai. Every time you call me. Third time, again, we make a call to Kiran. What Kiran will do? Correct? He will start saying something, complain about the company performance. Every month you call me when I make the payment also. So can I say we are saying good customer ko bad? Can I say tomorrow he will not take any loan from us? Also, he will not make a positive impact to the people about the bank. So can I say loss to the bank? This is called type 1 error. So never say a good people as a bad. Clear? They can file complaint against you. They can take you to the high court also, guys. Good people को कभी भी bad नहीं बोलना चाहिए. Clear? अगर जो bad customer, let's say Yogesh, he's very happy. Okay. Yogesh have to pay EMI, and we know that he don't pay EMI. What I'm saying? No, sir. You have paid EMI. I'm happy with you. Okay. Same with this way. So guys, he will file complaint against us. What do you do? Silence. कुछ नहीं. No response. Neutral. चल रहा है चलने दो. So when I say a bad customer as a good, it is called type 2 error. But the type 2 error. So which is more critical, guys? Type 1 or type 2? So type 1 error is a very critical error in the industry. Never say a good customer as a bad. And never ignore the loan good as bad. If you don't give loan to good people, okay, and you say in bad, loss to company. If you pay EMI and you say you have not paid, again loss to the customer. At the point, clear. Type 1, type 2 clear, guys. Accuracy clear. Sensitivity clear. Specificity clear. Done for the day. Any question can ask. This much is the theory. ROC curve we will show when we do a practical. If it's a practical base, if I explain in theory, it will become bouncer for you. Any question online students can ask. Easy as compared to linear, guys. Linear have assumptions, R square, data partition. You're learning first time, at that time you feel like heavy. Now here also data partition comes. Online students, any question can ask from my side. It's done.
No, sir, no doubts.
Thank you.
Sir, on Sunday around 12. No,
12
sir.
to 1. In between 12 to 1, I'll give you a call.
Okay, sir. Okay.